So it's been kind of hard to do Hangtime updates since pretty much everything has been finished. But look at this. We got a stage for what looks to be media night. I don't think they're keeping up this till Friday. They might just for Friday alone, but not for Saturday, I'm sure. But yeah, they've got this stage right here. I was wondering where they were going to put it if they had a stage, but I guess our answers have been, or our questions have been answered, excuse me. But yeah, nice little stage right here. Can't wait till Friday. I finally want to get on it for myself because I still have not been able to do that. So foundations have definitely gone in for Wipeout. Holy cow. It looks great. Hopefully we'll get a look at the gift shop later today. Hopefully it's open.
That's a lot of land, dude. Use that stand, what's that?
I don't know, man. Don't look that high, but it's scary.
They even have the purple. It seems like a midnight purple.
Yeah, it is like a purple. Midnight purple. Am I gonna zoom on all the speakers? Yes, I am. Because speakers are cool. So it looks like Media Night is tonight or tomorrow, probably tonight, because they just moved some equipment, and actually it looks like a drum kit all in setup, and I can't speak, but more theming. Ooh, that voice crack though. Yeah, so they've actually added theming. They've also added trash cans to these little outlets of the midway, except for this one. This one is still pretty big. I don't know what they're gonna do with here, but they've got a trash can here too. Yeah, I can't wait to ride. Kind of interested to see how I think of it after what all my friends have thought of it, not even calling it sometimes not even better than Accelerator or Ghost Rider, so we'll see what happens. So they're sending test trains. I totally didn't notice this. This was literally 2 seconds after the last clip. But yellow train's going around. They also do have an employee standing out in front of the entrance. I'm wondering what he's there for, because he might be doing a soft opening. I hope so. I really want to get on it as quick as possible. So it definitely looks like Media Night is tonight because they are setting up on that stage over there, and they're also testing trains. I don't know what else could be tonight. I mean, pass holder preview already happened this weekend, and then on Thursday before, yes, Hangtime. And also the employee preview night was on Thursday last week, so it's got to be just Media Night. So it looks like they've added this photo opportunity too. Evan, go stand in there, buddy. Okay. Also, over the weekend, they added a tester seat. So if you are in the green, like it says here, you are good to ride. I want to test this seat out. Evan, film for me. Beats the heck out of Wonder Woman's tester seat. Holy cow. All right. It's ridiculously comfy though. I'll give it that. Like, it really is. Hi. Hello, Evan surfing on Hangtime. Oh yeah. Yeah. So a nice thing that I've seen that they added umbrellas all the way down the midway right here over the benches, which is really nice. I really think this is kind of overdue, but it really adds to the boardwalk, and shade is much needed, as you can see, because yeah, all we got are these palm trees and stuff. So it looks like they're only going... Oh, never mind. White just came out. It's going up the lift hill right now. So all 3 trains are in testing right now. So they also have a second photo op spot for tonight, it looks like. This is over by Surfside Gliders and the Pacific Scrambler right over here. Looks cool. I like the other one a little more, I think. But yeah, Evan,
Yeah,
go.
Knott's promotion.
Yeah, Knott's. Go get in front of that, you bad boy. Oh yeah, strike a pose. So yeah, media day is definitely tonight. I know I keep saying that, but I never heard an official announcement. So, oh, and we've even got a rider in the front row. Sweet. So here's a quick look at one of the signs that they have around the fountain, giving all the stats of Hangtime. I think these are really cool. And here goes the booth for all the lights and sound that they're going to be running tonight. So it's got a light board and a sound board on there. Really cool to see that.